Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 job? Looking for ways to make money while you sleep? Well, you're in luck. We've compiled a list of the top 5 best passive income ideas that will help you unleash your income potential and set you on the path to financial freedom. So let's dive right in. Investing in real estate is a proven way to generate passive income. By purchasing properties and renting them out to tenants, you can enjoy a steady stream of cash flow. Whether it's residential or commercial properties, the demand for rentals is always high. With careful research and effective property management, you can turn real estate into your money-making machine. Investing in dividend stocks is a smart way to earn passive income. By purchasing shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, you can benefit from regular dividend payments. As your portfolio grows, so does your income. It's like having your own personal wealth generator, steadily increasing your bank account without lifting a finger. Do you have expertise in a particular field? Why not create and sell online courses? With the rise of e-learning platforms, you can share your knowledge with a global audience and earn passive income. Once you've created your course materials, they can be accessed by students at any time, allowing you to make money while you sleep. It's a win-win situation. You help others learn and grow while boosting your bank balance. If you have a website or a strong online presence, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative passive income stream. By partnering with brands and promoting their products or services, you can earn a commission on every sale generated through your unique affiliate link. With the right marketing strategy and quality content, you can turn your website into a money-making platform that works for you around the clock. From ebooks to digital artworks, the demand for digital products is constantly growing. If you have a creative side or specialized knowledge, consider creating digital products to sell online. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to reach a global audience and earn passive income from your creations. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort upfront. However, once established, these income streams can provide financial stability and freedom. So why wait? Start exploring these top 5 best passive income ideas and pave your way towards a brighter financial future. That was our video for today. If you want more amazing videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.